How to check watch history on Twitter or X account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Twitter or X app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. Go to the option of settings and privacy. Now head towards the option of your account. Go to the option download and archive of your data. Now from this page you can easily download X data that includes watch history as well. You can request a zip file with an archive of your account information, account history, apps and devices, account activity, interest and ads data. You will get an in-app notification when the archive of your data is ready to download. So what you have to do is tap on this option of request archive, and when your data is ready you will get the notification within the app. After you receive the notification, you can go through the file that you have downloaded that includes watch history of Twitter. So this is how you can check watch history on X or Twitter account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.